Hi, I'm Robbi Zeck. Welcome to this Blossoming Heart Institute course. How to Pause for a Blossoming Heart is the first in a series to bring my book, The Blossoming Heart, to life. It is an invitation to explore the beautiful wisdom that lies within your heart. There are 9 questions to support and inspire your call to live through your blossoming heart. For each journal question, there will be a short video to direct your attention and focus. You can allocate some time to respond reflectively, dive straight in and complete the questions all in one delicious time chunk. Or you might like to ponder just one question a day and savor each idea that comes to the surface. Give yourself as much time as you need to complete the writing exercises. Write, write and write until nothing more comes with each question. To assist you in your creative writing flow, you might like to find a quiet space in your home. Choose a meditative piece of music that opens your heart and clears your mind. Play the music softly in the background. Vaporize a favorite essential oil to enhance your creative writing quest. Light a candle. Gather some colored pens, pencils. Have your workbook open. And keep hydrated. Thank you for joining me here. I'm Robbi Zeck. I look forward to seeing your blossoming heart shine.